So since my last video, Bitcoin USD has increased by 37%. Now that was quite a move, and to be honest with you, I had expected that there was a chance that Bitcoin USD would come down first towards the 33,000. Instead it went the other way, and it's actually reached on the 15th of February 52,878. Now it didn't close at that level, but it did reach that level, and you can see on this chart, this is the day chart, that looking at the trend line, at the moment the price is stagnating a little. But let's move on to the month chart and see what we can see from that. So on the month chart, we can see that we've got a very thin cloud here, a very thin future cloud. It's ranging between the red and the green cloud. So that's slightly uncertain what's happening here. We can see that at the moment, Chiku span has gone through price, so it's now moving north of price, which is a bullish sign. Having said that, of course, that this candle is February's candle. So at the moment, we can't read too much into that because there's still a number of days left to go. So the only thing that we can really look at are these two candles, that is January and December's candle. Whilst January's candle was a doji, and that really alludes to indecision in the market, February has seen a distinct rise into the value of Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the week chart. In the week chart, we can also see that we have a green cloud, just here. We've got Tenkan-sen north of Kijun-sen, and we've got Chiku span north of price. Now, these are all very bullish signals, and at the moment, I would say, based on the week chart, there is only one direction it will go, and that is up. So I have identified this resistance level here at 58,397. It may well be so that price goes up there, and it may hesitate a little bit there. Once it breaks this resistance line, then of course the sky is the limit, and we may well go to that $140,000 or $170,000 for a Bitcoin. Now let's look at the day chart, and because things look slightly different there. On the day chart, we can see that price hit the trend line. That was on Thursday, where it reached 52,878 and came back down a little bit again. And at the moment, Bitcoin is ranging in about this area. Now, what we can see is that we have got a green cloud, but we can also see that the cloud here is really quite thin. Now, price is more likely to break through a thin cloud than a thick cloud. So what may happen is that price is going to correct a little bit, may come down to support line 2, say, at which point this would really be a buying area. So what may well happen is that we continue the rise up to this resistance level here at 58,397, or we might find that price is going to test this level here, or even stop at support line number 2. But this cloud here does look a little bit vulnerable, so that needs watching. Now, once it passes, so that would be the next, 10 or so trading days, 10, 15 trading days, then I think the danger of price coming down more significantly than this level would be unlikely. So that is my take on Bitcoin USD. Let me know, please, in the comments what you think, whether you're long or short on Bitcoin USD. I'd be really interested. I'm also considering doing a live session on Bitcoin USD. If you're interested in that, please do let me know. And perhaps you can even let me know what day of the week that would suit you best. because I would like to obviously reach as many people as I possibly can. Now, we've reached something like 790 subscribers to this channel, which is great. If you haven't subscribed already, I'd be really grateful if you would. And I will see you the next time I produce a video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.